Mojo, Jello, and Moiti on court. Stand by Jameson and Jensen, Jerick and Jethro. Chan and Mon, Coach Edwin and Coach Yvette. Bola daw, bola. Second ball, second ball. Stand by. Court number 5. Court number 7, kids level 9 gen. Correction. Andre and Frankie on court 7. On court number, wala pa. Court 5, kanina na. Next available court, Chan and Mon, Coach Edwin and Coach Yvette. Stand by Janelle and Ray. Adrian Lester, gaba sa bracket ng ating level C. Yan naman talaga. Perfection. You know, parang puro congratulations sa ating mga semi. Kung may concern po sa ating result, no problem. Solve natin yan. Partner. Marian, kailangan ng partner. Kailangan ng partner. Paging Adrian. Ayan. Pag may mga concern po tayo sa result, huwag po kayong mahiyang lumapit. Huwag mahiyang lumapit. Ayan.
Nice, mami. Ganda.
Coach Edwin and Coach Yvette on court number 2. Alright, stand by. May court 2 na, no? Tama ba? Stand by.
Palo? Kayo ba?
Next, available.
Exactly. Ganda? Yun nyo. Exactly.